How to hide posts on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then move down to the profile option that is located down below. As you click on the profile option that is located down below, you will get into your profile. Now from your profile option, select any picture that you or post that you want to hide. So click on that post, and then on these three dots, there will be three dots above the post. Click on these three dots. As you click on these three dots, then go to the archive option. As you click on the archive option, now your post is hidden. You can get it back from clicking on these three lines up above and then going to the archives option and recovering it from there. So this is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also hit the like button. Thanks.